Hello, scholars and families. This is Mr. McFadder, and I am going to show you how to set up the Rhythm and Trainer exit ticket for our first, second, and third grade scholars. Excuse me. So, so what we want to do is we want to make sure we have this URL either in our phone browser or laptop browser or pad browser, whatever we'll be using. This will pop up. And what you want to make sure is you want to make sure the mode has A. It usually will pop up and have mode A already selected. You want to make sure the rhythms you're going to use are your quarter note values and your eighth note values. You want to make sure your beat highlight is on. That's going to really help the scholars be able to place what rhythms and what notes need to go where. And your tempo will be at the discretion of your scholar, which means students, you guys get to choose if you guys want to do the fast tempo or the slow tempo. Sometimes it might be harder to hear things at a faster tempo. Sometimes it might be harder to hear things at a slow tempo. I'm going to leave it on fast for now because I just want to show you guys how to set up the game. Once you have made sure that mode A is selected, that you have the tempo that you want, that you turn the beat highlight on, and you have your quarter note and your eighth notes highlighted, you're going to click go. And in order to play the game, you need to click this green button right here to hear what the rhythm is. Let's hear what this first rhythm is. Let's hear it one more time. It might be a little bit shaky because of my Wi-Fi. Let's hear it one more time. And you can play it back as many times as you would like before you settle in your answer. What I heard was, I'm gonna play it one more time to make sure I'm right. I think what I'm hearing is T T T T ta T T. So I'm going to know those TTs sound like eighth notes. So I'm gonna click this button for my two eighth notes for this part. I'm gonna click a second button for my two eighth notes for this part. I'm going to click my quarter note, and I'm gonna click my two sections of eight notes. And then when I'm pretty sure that I have the right answer, I'm going to hit check my answer. And it looks like I got it right. And then you'll click this green button to go to the next question. So that sounded like T T ta T T T T. So, but let's say if I make a mistake, let's say I click all eighth notes. If I make a mistake and I click all eighth notes, I can click this red button right here, and it's going to erase the mistakes that I made. It's going to erase those things that I made. So let's say if I make a mistake in the beginning, unfortunately, I have to go all the way back to the beginning and then re-put everything in. So listen to that lesson. Let's listen to that rhythm one more time. That sounds like T T ta T T T T. So again, I'll check my answer, and it is right. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up. Once you guys are done, you guys can take a picture of the results and send it to me along with the name of your scholar so that I can put their grade in the grade book. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week.